It's February, and here is the market update for multifamily investment sales here in Southern California. Overall, to start off, investor sentiment. There's a lot of renewed buyer interest within the marketplace. We just got back from a multifamily convention here in San Diego. It was a national convention, and overall, the optimism within the marketplace for buyers and sellers is very good. It's improved from 23, headed into 2024. I believe there's going to be a lot more deal making taking place. So overall, a lot of good high level goodwill within the marketplace. Moving that sentiment and optimism in the market, we have a total of 9 multifamily properties under contract, getting ready to close here in Q1 and early Q2 within our team. Now, a lot of those buyers are holding for long term. They're going in looking for depreciation on assets. Some of these are high net worth investors. Maybe they have a good income from their business. They want to acquire a nice piece of real estate, tuck it away, and build long-term wealth, and also get that depreciation to offset from their business income. So that's been a common trend. Moving into sellers, there's still a lack of available properties within the marketplace. That's always going to be the case within the market. It's a challenge, but it's also a good thing because a lot of people don't want to sell their properties. So there's more demand than there is supply. So we're seeing some of that imbalance. It's creating prices to be still very high. So we're getting healthy value levels for properties. We are currently marketing 15 assets within Southern California right now. We're seeing where buyers are penciling their pricing coming in. Sometimes there's a gap between seller and buyer expectations. Sometimes we're still seeing multiple offers and tight terms. We are starting to see more and more common that loan contingencies are starting to show up. So overall, we're still getting great prices there for sellers. Where we're seeing the most demand, we're seeing the most demand within the coastal market. We're here right now filming, just wrapping up a video on launching a new building here in Laguna Beach. And I thought it'd be a great place to shoot this video because we're seeing so much demand within the coast. Costa Mesa, Long Beach, Coastal Long Beach, Laguna Beach, Newport Beach. We're seeing demand there. We're going under contract on 3 smaller multifamily properties in the Costa Mesa market as we speak. We're negotiating contracts for our buyers this week. And again, it's high net worth investors led by private investors wanting to buy long-term holds. So they're looking for quality assets, again, getting depreciation. There's not a lot of cash flow within these assets based on interest rates if you're taking out debt, but you're getting good real estate. They're buying them below replacement cost, and there's really no supply coming on, and we're seeing rents continue to do well. Now let's talk about interest rates. Interest rates have trickled down, but then we've also seen the 10-year go below 4, and now it's up to about 4.3 as I'm shooting this video. So we're seeing rates kind of bump around in that 5.75 on the low end, all the way up to about 6.25, 6.3% range, depending on LTV and also borrower strength. And their track record, if they own multifamily real estate, will help depending on the lender you go with. If you are looking to refinance, we can definitely put you in touch with the right folks. And then also one thing I want to mention, everybody knows that insurance is so challenging right now, getting properties insured. So whenever we put a property under contract, we're getting a firm insurance quote prior to removing contingencies. We're doing that within due diligence. We cannot estimate that anymore. There's no industry standard. We have to get it on a specific property every time. I will say a little bit of a silver lining is on the 2 to 4 unit range, those insurance premiums are a lot easier to get, and the premiums have not shot through the roof as much as the commercial insurance that we're seeing 5 units plus. So that's actually helped more transactions come together on these small plexes. But overall, that's a high-level market update video as what we're seeing in the market. If you want to talk one-on-one with anyone on our team, we're here and happy to help, and we look forward to good things to come here in 2024.